Welcome to our YouTube video about the Kids Online Safety Act, also known as KOSA. This act, which was reintroduced on Tuesday, is a bipartisan bill sponsored by Senators Richard Blumenthal and Marsha Blackburn with the purpose of making the internet a safer place for kids. The sponsors hope this bill will pass and become law a priority of the current administration. At the virtual press conference held on Tuesday to reveal the bill, Sen. Blumenthal said that Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is 100% behind this bill and efforts to protect kids online. But while the bill has gained support from many advocacy groups and organizations, some activists have raised potential issues with it. The main crux of the updates in this version of the bill is to put the onus on social media companies to prevent and mitigate harms that might come from their services. To that end, the bill defines a set list of harms that platforms need to take reasonable steps to mitigate, including by preventing the spread of posts promoting suicide, eating disorders, substance abuse, and more. It would also require these companies to undergo annual independent audits of their risks to minors and enable the strongest privacy settings by default for kids. While the bill has been largely applauded, some civil society and industry groups have raised concerns that the bill could lead to further endangerment of young internet users. These groups worry that the bill could put pressure on platforms to over-moderate, including from state attorneys general, who may want to impose their own views of what is appropriate for young people. In response to hearsay and critiques, Sen. Blumenthal and Blackburn have made several changes to the text. These changes are meant to limit the duty of care requirements for social media platforms to only those harms that are based on evidence-backed medical information. They have also added protections for support services, such as the National Suicide Hotline, substance abuse groups, and LGBTQ youth centers. While some groups have dropped their opposition, others still think that the bill goes too far. For example, NetChoice and Tech Freedom think that the bill would require effective age verification mechanisms that may collect data from people of all ages. On the other hand, the Computer and Communications Industry Association thinks the bill may impose compliance obligations that could undermine the privacy and safety of teens. Overall, we can see both sides of the argument, and it remains to be seen how the bill will develop in the future. In the meantime, stay tuned to our channel to hear more news and updates on this Kids Online Safety Act. Thanks for watching.